Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Galletto Rossonero here with you. So Serie A is finally back this weekend. Thank God, no more national teams. They only bring back injuries and players with COVID. Can't stand them. Prediction time. Before we start, like and subscribe as usual. We want and need your support. So guys, let's get right to it. Week 8, AC Milan versus Verona. I think this is a Milan win at home. Even though we don't have Magna and Theo Hernandez out with COVID, I think they will come up with a win. So Milan to win. Spezia versus Salernitana. I think this is a draw, guys. I don't think they hurt each other. And so draw for me. Lazio versus Inter, the big Saturday game. I think this is an Inter away win. Lazio very inconsistent. Inter juggernaut of a team. And so I think this is an Inter win. On Sunday, Cagliari versus Sampdoria. I think Sampdoria will win. Cagliari not showing much this season, haven't been playing well, so Sampdoria to win. Empoli versus Atalanta. Empoli have shown some good things. They've surprised a few teams. However, I don't think they beat Atalanta this weekend. I think Atalanta comes up with the win. Genoa versus Sassuolo. Genoa, horrible. Haven't shown much. Haven't done much this season, so to me, Sassuolo win. Udinese versus Bologna. I thought maybe this could be a draw, but then, you know what? Bologna has been playing very well, surprising a few teams. So I think Bologna comes up with the win against Udinese. Napoli versus Torino. Torino, better and better with Juric. However, Napoli too strong. They will not beat them. So I think this is a Napoli win at home. Juventus versus Roma at the stadium. I think Mourinho and Rome come up with the win. I think they will surprise Juventus. Juventus playing better as of late. But Roma has been playing very well this season as well. Even without Abrahams. Pellegrini on fire. So I think Roma wins. That's the big game on Sunday. And finally, last game of the week 8 on Monday. Venezia versus Fiorentina. I think Fiorentina comes up with a win. Venezia not showing much. One of those teams battling for relegation. So Fiorentina should come up with a win. Guys, let me know what you think. Write in the comments. I love reading your comments. So please continue doing so. Did I get my predictions right? Did I get them wrong? Who will win? Who will lose? Continue liking and subscribing to the channel. It's free, guys. Have a great soccer day. Enjoy your Serie A weekend.